Last night I got a call.
I want to know why.
News that made no sense at all.
Not even in your dreams.
The more I tried, I cursed your name and then I cried. You could have turned to anyone. It's too late now that you're gone. I found that bottle you gave me.
You should have seen the scratch marks she left on me.
Back from Tennessee.
Okay.
You said save it for a rainy day. I think right now would be okay to open it up. Pour us one, sit outside in the sun and raise a toast to you, my friend.
Thanks, Jenny. You did great.
All you were and could have been.
Night terrors.
Why let these blue skies get in the way?
Save him and then save me, please. He's just a boy. And he loves you, and so do I.
Rainy day.
Besides, you're a founding family member by
We
now.
should make good whiskey last.
Hold on.
It's always warm and gone too fast.
It's rare, but it happens.
Kinda like
What
the
if
life
this is one of those
you
times?
live. We never got enough of you. I can only hope you knew that everyone looked up to you. So what the hell? Let's have a drink.
Save me.
Weather's perfect.
Saved all of us.
Don't you think?
Do you know how lucky you
You
are?
said